Hello everyone and welcome to the Peninsula in Paris for a new release of our show. Welcome to you, Pascal CLEMENT.
Thank you, Jessie. Pleasure to be here.
Oh, that's a pleasure too. So you are the CEO and creator of Percentam, a company that offers all industry players worldwide a physical asset management process focused on performance and sustainability.
Yes, in fact, the mission of Percentam is to help industrials to get the most value out of their assets, their physical assets, and then help the industry rise towards this global sustainability that we are looking for.
Yeah, sure. So your success is due to many assets that we will discuss. You follow me?
Yes.
Let's go. Pascal, with a master's in reliability and industrial maintenance. At first you started your career as a marine engineer in 1996, and today your expertise covers different sectors such as energy production, aerospace manufacturing, mining, naval engineering, and research and development in reliability and predictive maintenance. So your work experience combined with your teaching has helped you to excel and understand the basics of asset management. So through Percentam, you are aligning strategies with corporate goals and local context. Could you please elaborate on this topic?
Yes, absolutely. So having been working full-time all of my career in different industry throughout the world actually, and teaching on the side, collaborating with the universities, I had the chance to be exposed to different aspects of the industry, and I realized that we are all facing the same challenges.
All right.
And for example, one of the challenges we had recently was to align the maintenance people to work better with the operation. Right?
Because they are disconnected.
Yes, there is a disconnection, and often they are working in a silo. And the maintenance people, the challenge was to get the leadership out of them, to get them to understand that they are part of the performance just as the operation or the exploitation people are. So doing this, we could increase the overall equipment effectiveness by 3 to 5%, which is a big impact on the operation and on the performance of the company.
What do you believe that innovation involves mastering existing concepts rather than creating new ones?
Well, because too often we are looking to develop some new concept while the concepts that are existing already are very efficient. Well, it is true that the philosophies on which my work is based are coming from the 60s and 70s, like RCM principle and TPM, total predictive maintenance, for example. So these concepts make sense and they are up to date. What we have as a difference is that the technology enables us to push them further. So we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We just have to use what's there and then make it our own.
And better.
To get again, the most value out of it. When I'm talking value, I'm talking global value. Always these people, planet, profit. We just want to align all of these. You get the profit, then you have more resources so you can work on the health and safety of your people and everybody, and then on the environment. So that's an alignment. This is where this innovation, it's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about using these new technologies and all the resources we have and adapt it to these already existing philosophies and concepts that are working just perfectly.
And I guess in this way you don't waste the time. There is a...
Exactly. We are taking a shortcut and then going straight to where it matters.
Yeah, sure. So to bring together all your knowledge and expertise, you've developed the PCAM process with a holistic vision. Could you please tell us more about it?
Yes, well, the PCAM approach, PCAM stands for Performance-Centered Asset Management. The PCAM approach is holistic in a way that it's the process first. And this process is backed with a body of knowledge, which includes 5 training. So the body of knowledge is supported by 5 training. And once we are done with these training, we have also this certification, like Certified Asset Management Leader. So for example, for an individual that would like to boost his career, or for a manager that would like to see if the team has understood the teaching or the training. And then with this training, in this certification, we have this audit tool where we run an audit. If you want to see if you're improving, it's important to have a reference.
Sure.
And so you just run this audit, and then you run it again after a couple of months, after a year, and then regularly, just to make sure that you always target the areas of improvement, and then you're always working where it matters. So
it's all about continuous improvement at the end.
That's it. This is where the approach is holistic, with the process, the training, and then certification, and then the audit. And all of these is backed with coaching. I'm not too much in consultation, I am into the coaching part. Because how do you value a training? It's by enabling these concepts and getting them on the floor to work with. So my point here is to enable the people, enable the workers with powerful, useful tools, concepts, methods, so everybody is working together. Engineers, reliability people, maintenance people, operators, and the training, there is a part of a training for everyone. Everyone will be using the same vocabulary, same tools and concept, and the point here is really to go get the most out of it, the most out of the assets, aligning everyone working together as opposed to the silo we were talking about before.
Yes, sure. In general, that's true that profit is what motivates managers to care about sustainability. So how do they approach the triple objective that you were talking about of your activity, people, planet, and profit?
Well, in fact, they're right, because you need to have some profit if you want to be working on the two other side of the global sustainability, if you want to be working on the health and safety and on the environment. And one of with Percentam, I propose several solutions. But the main solution is what I call the profitable production system, where we're going to be working and targeting, in the first step, we're targeting together with the industrial, the area where we could get the profit or the return on investment the quickest. So having the return on investment back, now we have new profit, and from there we can work on this aspect of safety and then environmental. So the people, planet, profit.
And you've got a special program for profit.
Yes, it's this is what I call the profitable production system. And once implemented with the method and tools, the return on investment is really quick. Now, the project is to train the people, enable them, and then not do consultation, but really coaching. So the workers are enabled with new method, tools, and knowledge, very valuable knowledge. And from there, what we have done on the profit, the method is repeatable. So we can do it on the environmental side or on the safety side.
It's scalable.
Yes, and increasing the global performance all the time. Then we do the audit, and then it's just continuous improvement. And new profit means more resources, better global performance. It's all there.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Pascal CLEMENT, for this interview.
Well, thanks to you for inviting me over.
My pleasure. And see you soon, everyone, for a new release of our show.